Hello, myself Sakshi Tiwari. My topic is analog to digital conversion. Difference between digital and analog system. Analog and digital signals are used to transmit information such as any audio or videos, usually through electric signals. In digital technology, the translation of information is into binary format 0 or 1 and information is translated into electric pulse of varying amplitude in analog technology. What is digital system? A digital system is one whose signal has a finite number of discrete values. So, the signal system works on digital signals and is limited to binary values 0 or 1. Digital systems are used to process information in digital form. The digital system has wide application in digital instrument like calculator, computers, telephones. Features of digital system use binary code, accuracy, processing speed, noise immunity. Use binary code. Digital system are used binary code which is a combination of 0 and 1 to represent information. Accuracy. Digital systems are more accurate than analog system because the information is represented in a precise and consistent manner. Processing speed. Digital systems are capable of processing large amount of data quickly and accurately. Noise immunity. Digital systems are immune to noise and interference, which means that the transmitted information is less likely to be corrupted. What is analog system? Analog system is one that use continuous time signal or analog signals. Analog system transmit the output in their raw form reducing the time of translation. The amplitude of the signal varies continuously with the time. Analog signals are used to represent sound, temperature, light. Features of analog system. Use continuous signals. Analog system are continuous signal to represent information such as electrical voltage or sound wave. Real world representation. Analog system are better suited for representing real world such as sound and light which are continuous in nature. Smooth transition analog system provide smooth and continuous transitions between different values which can be important in certain applications such as music or video. Complexity. Analog system can be more complex than digital system due to the need for additional circuitry to the process and transmit the signals. Similarities between digital and analog system. Both can be used to process and transmit information. Both can be used in variety of applications such as audio, video and telecommunications. Both can be used in combination with each other to achieve certain goals such as using digital signal processing to enhance analog signals. Both require some level of circuitry or hardware to function. This slide says show difference between digital and analog system. Both are different things and signal, wave, representation, technology, data transmission, response to noise, flexibility, bandwidth, memory, power, use, cost, and different examples of digital and analog system. Thank you.